Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will take you how to add a running Marquee text direction. Just you see it already here. It is scrolling now. It is running just inside your blogspot website here. So today I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's get started. First, you need to sign in to your blogger.com and now we're gonna see this layout here. So go ahead and click that, and now you will see the code is here. Now you can see inside the code it is only code from this one to this place. And here is the text that you want to type it, so you can type as long as you want. So you type the text just inside that code. So it is here. Okay, it is here. It is the closing of Marquee text. So now let's go ahead and copy all this code here. Select all and press Ctrl C to copy. And after go back to your blogger page and add a guide get here, so you can choose and everywhere that you found this word, so go ahead and click on that and choose the HTML file here. So click that and then pass all the content we have been copy it, and here is the word that you're gonna write. So you can write it as long as you want, and you don't remove anything from that. If you want to be a longer text, so you can type it longer as you want also. And after you have been already type this word and click save, and now we're gonna refresh your page here. It is found now. It is running now. The text is running too short because we have only a short word. Just write it down. But if you don't want it to appearing on the top like this, for example, I'm gonna use this place to running this text. So go ahead and text. When you see this mark, you can drag it from the top hole and drag it to this main post here, and then click save. Okay, and now wait a few minutes and you will see the results. And now click on refresh page, and here you are. It is appearing like this, so the text is running like this. So if you think you like these videos, please subscribe, rate or comment. So thank you for watching.